4570 day, 4570 again. Got the same Hornady rounds, 325 grain.
And I guess you're gonna try to do some microwave cooking as well.
Well, we got the door open. We're gonna cook it with the door open.
All right.
You good?
You good to go, little buddy.
You got your ears on?
Yep.
So it went in. It hit both of them. And it opened it up like a can.
My turn with the 4570 325 Hornady. Yeah. All right, biggin.
You gonna shoot the microwave up top?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go a little higher with it. You ready?
Yep.
Good.
Oh yeah, perfect. Clear.
Clear.
And then right here on top.
And it didn't come out the top or inside there. Oh, came out right here though.
Did it?
Yeah,
Go all the way to the top.
Yeah, keyholed out.
Keyhole out mine too down here.
Yep.
What do you think about that, TK?
Hey man, microwaves are tough, but 4570 a little tougher.